G'day, this is Jason here from ForexPipSnager 2.0, and I just want to first say Happy New Year to all the traders in the world. I hope you're having a great day. I guess some of you probably thought, oh, he's not going to shoot no more videos. He probably forgot about us. Well, the good news is I did not forget about ya. Here I am again. I did not do a video on Tuesday because there wasn't much to cover. Monday was, New Year's, so that's why I waited till today. So basically, I first want to say thanks, for watching my video, and I'd really appreciate it if you would hit the like button underneath this video and subscribe to my video, because you want to be the first one to see the next video, right? With all the trading information that I give throughout my videos here for free, okay? Along with how and why to trade the ForexPipSnager 2.0 trading system. Okay, so let's get started. We're now looking at the pound yen 15-minute chart. As you know, I cover four pairs: pound yen, pound dollar, US dollar yen, and gold. And I might drop the US dollar yen. We'll just have to see what happens, okay? And try and replace it with something else that moves, because the only currency you want to trade is the ones that move. If you try and trade any trading system, any trading strategy, with a market that goes sideways and chops up and down, well, you're going to get chopped up. It's bad enough the Forex market is choppy enough with these, central banks, playing their head games. Just had to get a drink of water. Okay, so you can see right here, okay, this is Thursday, here's Wednesday, and here's Tuesday, okay? So if we look back far over here, okay, as you can see, it chopped through those holidays, right? So it did not really go up that much from that chop. Well, it went up 96 pips on the pound yen, which isn't much, okay? So what I would do after a holiday is I would wait for at least, a couple 100 pip move up or down, and then look for a trade. So as you can see on this day, I wouldn't have done a trade, because from the bottom to here we only moved about 100 pips, okay? So now we moved a little bit higher, and now yesterday, okay, here's the trade right here. You would have get that line tool out. We would have drew our line right here, okay? As you can see, we cleared through right here and came back up actually a little bit high here. Okay, so you didn't really get the correct gap there. Now, when it came down here and came back up, we had the correct gap. Everything was red, everything was good. They already went and scared everybody these two times that it retraced back up, because they know the stops are right there. Okay, so you would have sold it right here on the retrace, and your stop would have been 21 pips, and look, it went down about 80 pips. So that's a 4-to-1 win-loss potential, loss ratio, okay? And then now today, okay, I don't usually trade this time, but it's the yen, okay? So this is the yen session right here. So if you wanted, you could have got long right here. Well, hold on, we need to draw our line. This is our resistance right there, right? We know that once you draw that line, everything comes clearly into play. And this candle right there, I'll blow it up, this candle right there, okay, that bullish candle told you, hello, Snager, it's time to get ready to trade. So when it pulled back right into here, into our trigger line, you would have got long right there. Your stop would have been at the bottom, 36 pips, and it went up 26 pips, and it came back down. But if you stuck with it, it went up about 60 pips, okay? So that's it for the pound yen. So let's take a look at the pound now. Let's see what it done, okay? Now, once again, we go back from over here. Okay. So, here's the holidays here. Okay. Here's Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. So, if we started from Tuesday, okay, it did go up nicely here. Okay. Went up nicely, about 100 whatever pips. So, at the opening of the UK session in here, we'd be looking to sell, right? Well, guess what? There's nothing here. This blue line and our trigger line said, hello, you're not selling. You're not selling. You're not selling. You're not selling. The whole day, you're not selling. Okay? Nothing told you to sell. And that's why you would have drew a line right here. This candle right here, baby, came back. You would have bought it right here. This is at 9:30, which was 2:30 in the morning, half an hour before the UK Open. You would have bought it right there, and up it went, 74 pips, and your stop would have been right here at 32 pips. So there's a 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. Now, that it's gone up after 3 days, I'll show you here. Okay? It's gone up after many, many days. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days it went up. Okay? Went up 260 pips, okay, all the way to the top. So here, like I said, we would have been looking for a sell, but because it did not present itself and there was no selling, you got to go with the flow, right? So you would have bought. So now up here, it gave you the selling opportunity that we were looking for because it went all the way up there, 260 pips. Right there, closed below our major support trend line, went back up, you would have sold it right there. Your stop is only like 20 pips, and it went down like 100 pips. Okay? Now that we went all the way down here, now you look to buy. Like I told you, the banks are gonna, all day long, they're gonna run it up one day, and then they're gonna run it down the next day just to keep you guessing. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, to keep you guessing. And that's why you got to go along with their tricks, okay? You got to go, okay, I'm going to trade like you. I'm going to sell from a high, and I'm going to buy from the low. And that's what you do, and that's how you succeed trading with those central bankers. Oh, sorry about that. Needed some more water. My throat gets dry. Especially when I start getting excited and I start yelling at you, saying, anyway, here we go. Let's look at the yen now. All right, see the yen, choppy, sloppy, floppy yen? I don't like the yen. That's why I'm thinking of dropping it. Maybe I'll replace it with the euro yen or the pound yen. Probably the pound yen. Oh, no, we already have the pound yen. Oh, I'm out to lunch today. Okay. I don't like this pair, to be honest with you. So anyway, okay, we chopped yesterday. So here we go. Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. Here's Tuesday, okay? So we're coming down from here. We came down in the Asia session. Came down in the Asia session. And then here, a little bit later, it came down in the Asia session. So it's simple, if you're trading the yen, just like that. Boom. Right here, it told you, wake up, we're ready to trade. You would have sold it right there. Down it went 60 pips. Your stop would have been 10 pips. And then you had this channel here, like you wanted to buy, right? So if you bought right here. It went up like 9 pips, and then they stopped you out. It's pathetic. And today, right now, it's starting to go up. Maybe there's some news that just happened. I think there is. That's making it run up right now. Okay. I would have been looking to sell here. I would have sold right here because it went up all this way, right? And look, they just brought it back up, and they're just playing with people and screwing them. Let's take a look at gold. Oh, gold. Oh, gold's not so good either. Okay. They've been really, really bad lately. It used to be such a beautiful thing to trade. It would just go up for hundreds of pips and then come down, and lately it's just been retarded.